Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Discover Jamaica's best kept secret, then call this boutique hotel home. Mockingbird Hill Hotel is a privately owned 7-acre, 11-room Jamaican hotel in Portland off the coast of Jamaica. It is an eco-resort of lush terraced gardens and understated elegance, colorful wildlife, complete exclusivity, and an on-air of casualness. Nestled within the lush surround of one of Jamaica's most breathtaking settings, Mockingbird Hill presents the most diverse luxury real estate offers in the Caribbean. With an elite selection of 11 turnkey furnished rooms, the property offers the opportunity to discover the tropical sanctuary that fits your own unique vision of paradise. The purchase of Mockingbird Hill Hotel not only means acquisition of some of the most exclusive property in Portland, Jamaica, it grants you the ownership of the business along with its established brand structure itself, bringing to life the extraordinary dream of owning your own hotel. Guys, let's take a look at this hotel and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this hotel is US 2.97 million or Jamaican $457.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.